Hello, I'm Kelly. My son Dray and I.
Hi.
That's Dray. We are driving to Moab, Utah today. We stopped at a little rest stop in Colorado. It's very pretty. I have no idea where we are. Do you know where we are? Dray doesn't know where we are either.
Not really.
Somewhere in Colorado.
I guess we're just west of Salida.
Yeah.
Or east. Excuse me.
So far we have seen the federal penitentiary in...
Looks inviting.
Where is it? Don't get any ideas. Florence, yes, the federal penitentiary in Florence, Colorado, which was exciting. We drove by the Royal Gorge, did not stop, because we are heading to Utah. Stopped to take a bathroom break, stretch our legs, but it was really pretty here, so we thought we would stop, say what we're doing. We're just going to go for the weekend to Moab. We're going to go to Arches National Park. Maybe see if we can get into Canyonlands National Park today. There's supposed to be an eclipse today. Around what, 10:30, 12?
I don't remember.
Sometime, at some point today. Come along with us, see some new stuff. We're just gonna do some hiking and things like that. We're gonna stay in a tiny house in Moab, which is really cool. So when we get there, I'll show you that too. So come along with us for Nature Weekend. By the way, this is the Arkansas River, in case you did not know. It's not always this calm. There's some whitewater and stuff. A lot of people go like whitewater rafting and stuff around here. I'm gonna go down this way. Maybe not. We won't go that way. I can just hear it. Anyway, Arkansas River. There we go. You testing out your shoes?
Yeah.
How they work? So far, so good. You can parkour off those rocks. Pow! Snow, guys. It's October 14th, by the way, and they have had snow up here. This is Monarch Pass that we're going over. See up there, that's the ski lift. Little shacky thing right up there. Yes, we're in Ridgeway. Stopped at kind of like a fairground and rodeo place just to stretch our legs. This place right here that we're standing is not the prettiest, but if you look out that way and that way, it's pretty freaking spectacular. Look at those mountains out there. But if you look like that way, Those mountains are amazing. So they go all the way through there and then past the camper and the truck. And there's some more out that way. So it's been a really easy drive so far. I'll put the pretty mountains behind me. I think we got what? How much longer do you think we have? 3-4 hours? Well, 3-4 maybe till we get to Moab. We're still in Colorado. We left at maybe 2/3 of the way. Okay. We left at around 7 this morning and it's like noon, almost 1. So 6 hours to get this far. So pretty good, making good time. It's been an easy drive. It's been really pretty. So anyway, that's the update. It was about 3:30 when we got here. We've been checking out our little tiny house. I will show you the outside really quick. It's super cute. So we are staying at the edge of the desert tiny house.
Like an
RV park. Yeah. So it was super easy to check in. They just gave me a code for the door. So this is what they look like. We have a little patio outdoors, which is cute. 2 chairs and a table. I'll show you what it looks like from the outside. You get a barbecue, and there's some trash. There's a little parking spot. So we are in number 8. It's really cute.
We got a picnic bench back here.
Oh, we got a picnic bench?
Yeah.
Cool. So there's our parking spot. Oh yeah, there's our little picnic table over there. Look at the view. That's pretty cool. So you go up the steps here. Nice patio area. It's pretty big actually. I thought this patio area was going to be smaller than this. So here's the little code. They'll send you an email with the code. And then you come in, you've got a pretty decent sized kitchen. There's a ceiling fan up there. Windows, couch. There's a little table and chairs and a TV. Got a couple windows, those look out onto the little parking spot. La la la. And then, so, the kitchen. The floor is a little creaky, but that's alright. We've got cookware, bowls, plates. We've got a toaster, coffee maker, paper towels, cups, wine glasses. So almost like everything you need. Oh, there's like pots and pans and stuff down here too. They give you some washing up liquid, some hand soap, and there's your more paper towels and trash bin. And there's all your silverware, a lighter thing. Get a gas stove and a teapot. Microwave. It's a big microwave. And then, oh, you get like seasonings and stuff too. Salt, pepper, garlic salt. And then like towels and, you know, all your kitchen whatnots. Full-size refrigerator. They've got little ice cube trays if you want ice. Extra chairs. And then this is just like storage. So here's the bathroom. They've got hand soap in the bathroom. Here's your towels. And it's pretty spacious, actually. They even give you some shampoo and conditioner and stuff. So decent size. Shower. That door goes into the bedroom. Here's the bedroom. There's another TV in here. This is pretty big, actually. This looks like a king-size bed. So tables on both sides, there's plugs, air conditioner, and then here's the little air conditioner remote. This is a closet. You could probably stay here for like a week or so and be perfectly comfortable. And then upstairs, there's a skylight and stuff above the door, which is cool. These stairs are pretty steep and narrow, just letting you know. Don't booze it up and try to navigate these stairs. We did have to get rid of a couple little spider friends that were hanging out here. And this ceiling is really low. So, but there's like a futon bed, a little couch, and another big TV. And your own air conditioner up here. That's
a big TV.
That's a huge TV. What would you say that the ceiling is?
Like
3 foot. You can't stand up in here, so you're gonna have to crawl around.
Probably right. 3 feet.
So,
3 or 4 feet.
But that's another like king size.
Need a ladder.
Don't you think? And a fan. What do you think?
I like it a lot.
Cool. Now that the spiders are gone,
Yeah, it won't be
it won't be a problem.
next to me when I'm asleep.
No, it won't be. Hi, Dray. Hello. So Dray and I have made it to Canyonlands National Park. Canyonlands, you do not have to have a timed entry. Anyway, it's like 4:30 in the afternoon, so the sun's going down. We are at the Grand View Point lookout. I'm going to show you guys the Grand View and what it looks like. So it's 12 miles from the guard shack thingy. It does cost you to come in because these are national parks. We got like a park pass thing for Canyonlands and for Arches. It was 55 bucks. It's for the whole month. So you just show them your pass. You can put your pass on your phone. She looks at it. Bam, you're in. So it's about 12 miles from there to this. This is like the end point. So let's go look and see what it looks like. Make sure you're wearing hiking shoes. I mean, there is a path, but... Wow, look at that. That's amazing. Looks like a big giant sinkhole. That part's the coolest, right there. Looks like big giant. Like somebody put their hand there. Taking a little hike out to another like viewpoint. You don't want to go over the edge. Look at that. Yikes. But it's nice. It's like perfectly still out here. Check this out. Look at that. That's pretty. What'd you say? It was about a mile?
Yeah.
A mile out, a mile back? We will find out.
Yeah, exactly.
Sun's going down. Loud car behind us. There it goes. We're back in the tiny house. It is 9:35. We had a good time at Canyonlands. We saw the sunset. It was very pretty. It's a ways back in there to Canyonlands. So if you're staying in Moab, we're at the edge of the desert, little tiny house places. It's in the south part of Moab. If you're staying here, it said it took 45 minutes from us to get there to the entrance to Canyonlands. So just be prepared for that. If you're going to Arches, it's a lot closer. It's only like 10 minutes to Arches. But Canyonlands is like way back in there. But we had a good time. And then we went to the Moab brewery. Is that what it's called, Dray? For dinner. It was good. It was busy in there, but it was good. So now we are back here for the night. Sorry about the light. I just made a rhyme. So we are going to say goodnight for now. Tomorrow we're gonna be at Arches all day. So I'm gonna try to show you as much of Arches National Park as I can. And then that's it. And then we go home on Monday. So thank you for watching. If you haven't done so already, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe button, ding the notification bell so you know when we post. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed our video, and we will see you next time. Okay? Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.
Bye.